Hi guys, it's Alana here again, and this is my son Liel. You can say hi.
Hi.
And we're here today to do another fun video for you. It's a science experiment, and it's about butterflies.
Butterfly.
Yeah. Does anyone know what a butterfly starts out as? Does a butterfly, when it's a baby, is it a butterfly?
I'm not sure.
I think you know what it is. What is it when it's a baby? Tell me.
I know how to say it in Hebrew, but I don't know in English because I forget.
Say it in Hebrew.
Zachal.
A zachal. In English, it's called a caterpillar. So a butterfly starts out as a caterpillar. Can you say caterpillar?
Caterpillar.
Can you say it? Caterpillar. Caterpillar.
Good.
So a caterpillar, he starts out like this. Everybody show me your caterpillars. Beep, beep, beep. And he eats and eats and eats and eats, nom, 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 and gets really, really fat. Nom, 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 nom. And then he eats and eats and eats and eats some more, and he gets even fatter. Nom, 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 nom. And then he wraps himself up tight, 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 tight in a cocoon. And then when he comes out, he's a beautiful butterfly. So today, we are going to do an experiment. Excuse me. And we are going to make butterflies, and we're going to make them fly. All you need for this experiment is a few things that you should probably already have around your house. You need a balloon, which is the only thing you might have to go out for. I don't know. You need a balloon. You're going to need a piece of cardboard. You're going to need, thank you, a marker. You're going to need scissors. Whoops. You're going to need scissors. You're gonna need a glue stick. You're gonna need some googly eyes, but you don't have to use these if you don't want to. You can just draw the eyes on if you want, so you don't have to have these.
And the main ingredient, toilet paper.
It's toilet paper, that's right. So we're gonna need some toilet paper. Everybody should have some toilet paper in their house.
Because it's toilet paper. You use it.
Yes. So we're gonna take the toilet paper, and we're gonna cut this into a B shape. So we're gonna set up, and we're gonna be right back. Hold on.
Hi,
We're back. So I have this toilet paper, and first I'm gonna cut it into the shape of a bee. Ba 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 butterfly. Ba 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 bus. Ba ba ba. What else starts with ba ba ba?
Bubba.
Bubba. That's his nickname. We call him Bubba. What else starts with ba 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 ba?
Balloon.
Balloon. You're right. And we need a balloon for this, don't we? B ba 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 butterfly and B ba balloon. So I cut this into the shape of a bee. And if my toilet paper is 2-ply, then I'm just gonna open it up. So I have 2 wings. If it's 1-ply, then you just do it twice. And so you open up your bee. And then you have these wings. So we're gonna pause for a second while we set up for the next step. Hi everybody, we're back. So for the next step, you're gonna need your cardboard and you're gonna need your toilet paper. And we're gonna glue the toilet paper here in the middle on the cardboard. We're gonna put some glue. And then we're gonna put the toilet paper kind of in the middle of the cardboard, like this, okay? And then once it's on there, we're gonna take our 2 googly eyes that we have, and we're also gonna glue those on. I'm not gonna put the glue on the toilet paper because then the toilet paper rips. I learned that from previous experience. So I'm just gonna put the glue stick directly on the googly eye itself, okay? Maybe Lieli, you can help me and you can put glue on the second googly eye for me, please. So this googly eye is gonna go here. And then the second googly eye is gonna go here. Whoops, hello. Hello, Mr. Butterfly. And now you can see we have our wings and we have our eyes. And now we're gonna take our marker and we're gonna draw the body of our butterfly. Hold on one second, we're gonna find our marker. And we're gonna draw the body here like this. And then we're gonna draw some antenna, cause why not, right? And I can give him a smiley face. Should I give him a smiley face?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give Butterfly a smiley face here. Whoop. Deek, deek. There he is. Okay, so this is our butterfly. Now, We are gonna make him fly using electricity. How is that possible, you say? Well, let me set it up and we'll be right back. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so we're back. Did you know that you can make static electricity with your balloon and your heads? Did you know that? So you just have to blow up your balloon here, and then all you have to do is rub it on your hair like this. And the balloon is getting nice and charged. My dog doesn't like it. The balloon is getting nice and charged, like when you plug your phone in to the wall and it's getting a charge. That's how we charge the balloon. Should we charge the balloon again?
Yeah.
Let's charge it again. So we're charging the balloon. And the static electricity on the balloon is gonna make our butterfly fly. Are you ready to see it? You ready? Here we go. Let's see. What? Did you see the wing move? My butterfly is flying. Oh, he's flying. He's flying. He's flying from the electricity in the balloon. It's called static electricity.
Really?
Yeah. And sometimes when you charge the balloon and then if you touch something after, you'll get a little shock. A little shock. Has that ever happened to you on the slide?
Yes.
When you go down the slide and then you touch someone and you give them a shock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts.
Yeah, it does. So that's called static electricity. And that is our science experiment for today. You can decorate this more. You can color your toilet paper more. There's a lot of ways that you can take time to make this more crafty or focus more on the art side. You can paint the cardboard. Don't put too much weight on the actual toilet paper itself because then it won't be light enough for the static electricity to move it. Okay? We hope you guys enjoyed this experiment and we'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.